G'day, I'm James, the founder at Pacific Rentals Pro. Welcome to the first in our tutorial series designed to help you get the most out of the platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze any rental property in the US and how to customize every number to match your actual deal. Whether you're evaluating your first investment or your 50th, this tool gives you the numbers you need to make confident decisions. Let's jump in. Here's the dashboard. Let's open the calculator, click Calculator in the sidebar, then select LTR Calculator for long-term rental analysis. This is the LTR calculator. It works with over 140 million US properties and pulls in real data automatically. All you need to do is type in an address. Let's try a triplex in Cleveland. Select the property from the autocomplete dropdown. The calculator automatically pulls in the property value, tax records, and estimated rent. No manual data entry needed. The calculator pulled in all the property details automatically from Rentcast. Here's the property card, the address, estimated value, estimated monthly rent, bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage, all pulled in real time from Rentcast. No manual entry. Let's scroll all the way down to see the property on the map. Here's the property location on Google Maps. You can see the neighborhood and nearby amenities. Let's switch to Street View to see what the property actually looks like. Street View gives you a ground level look at the property and the surrounding area without leaving your desk. Switch back to Map View. Now let's scroll back up and customize the numbers. Here's where it gets powerful. Every field is fully editable. You can customize every number to match your actual scenario. It's listed at $185,000, but we think it's worth around $158,000. Let's update the property value. Watch how all the metrics update instantly. Now let's adjust the rent. This is a triplex with 3 apartments. Apartment 1 is $850, apartment 2 is $950, and apartment 3 is $545. That's $2,345 a month. The cap rate and cash-on-cash return just jumped. Small changes make a big difference. Let's scroll down to the financing section. Here's the financing section. Finance type, loan type, interest rate, down payment, and closing costs. You can adjust any of these, but we'll leave them at the defaults for now. Now let's add our startup costs. We plan to do $2,000 for initial repairs and $5,500 for improvements before renting. $5,500 for improvements. These costs factor into your total cash invested and cash-on-cash return. Now for operating expenses. Since we're self-managing this property, let's set the management fee to 0%. 0% that saves you 7% of rent every month. Let's enter the actual property tax, $2,640 per year, and maintenance at $1,380 a year. Now, all our numbers are dialed in. Every metric at the top reflects our actual scenario, not estimates. Let's scroll back up to see the final analysis. There it is, your cap rate, cash-on-cash return, DSCR, and monthly cash flow, all based on your real numbers. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. You can also compare LTR versus STR returns on the same property with one click. One more thing, you can share this analysis with anyone. Click the share icon next to the address bar. A shareable link is generated. Anyone with this link can view your analysis. Click copy link, then paste it into an email or text message to share with your partner, agent, or lender. Link copied, it's that easy. That's it. A full customized rental property analysis you can share in seconds. Try it yourself. The link is in the description below. Remember, great deals don't find you. You go out and find them. Stay sharp, stay hungry, and happy investing.